video. Hope everybody's well and safe. We have been closed since March, and then we are running the online classes, and many of you are kind of curious about how we run the class. So I just decided to record some videos and share to everyone. The imaging tool that it really works well for us. Since it's art, that we have to correct that drawing shapes and colors and stuff. Me and Mrs. Stephanie bought this Apple tablet with an Apple pen, and this really helps us communicating with the students visually. It really works well on in the site during the class time. Okay, so when students draw out, and sometimes you can really clearly see on the Zoom on the monitor, so then they take a photo pictures and they email to us. Then right there I can open up and see their work, and then I can correct it with the iPad right there, and click, then it goes back to the students, so they can be able to open up and see, and they correct it, and they kind of follow the direction and stuff. So it's really handy, and then it really work for us. Okay, that's how we teach this art. This online class will be hour and a half for the age group 7 and up, but under 7 is just a 1 hour online class. I'm gonna just show you quickly what kind of projects are going out and how the class is running. Okay, so first of all, when we pack the supplies, our supply kits for the lessons, or the teacher wears gloves and a mask. Okay, so we prevent any of spreading germs and stuff like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this off so I can speak. You can hear a little clearly. Divided into age group, 3 to 6 is one group. It's called, we have a younger age group. We call beginning class, and then we have a 7 to 10 is an intermediate group, and we have a 11 to 14 is a junior high group, or even up to above that age, that who just want to take it as a hobby. And we have also portfolio prep class. So age under 6 and under, have 4 projects going out a month. So most of the package is packed on these white envelopes, will be delivered in front of your door, and age under 6 has 4 projects, so they're gonna complete the project each week. Okay, so let me show you some example of the projects. Let's say if you take out the projects like that, 4 projects plus there is a 1 bonus project, which is a craft project. Okay, this is a bonus, it's a secret. Okay, so anyway, bonus project is not gonna count it on running on the Zoom class. Okay, because this you do individually at home by yourself. The project has each one has an envelope with a lesson plan like that, and each one has a whole lesson plan, mostly drawing and painting, but occasionally we're gonna put some like a paper mosaic or collage kind of project as well. Okay, so you will find the projects like that, and the complete work during the online, a teacher will show you how to do, and then the finished work will be something like that. And then the sort of a second week will be something like this. Third week has a stamping kind of technique study. So we add a variety of different kind of kids to learn. And this is pretty much painting. Okay, so that's for room 1. Room 1 means when we have it in the studio for beginning class, age under 6. Then what about the age 7? And then also we have, we forgot to show you, supplies that are going out with the materials, art materials like that. And then we also wrap up the aprons and stuff like that. Intermediate group, which is age 7 to 10, we find out the age 7 has a little difficulty following on an online class, so we kind of separate them to join the class. So we have it on a Tuesday afternoon, 5 to 6:30, class for the 7 years old only. Age 7 to 10 group has 2 projects, okay? 2 projects, so they can finish 1 project in each week, and they meet on our Zoom meeting, and the teacher do the demo, half of the project, and then the second week we finish up. So if in case you missed the class, simply there is a lesson plan here, and you can be able to follow, and you can finish up and catch up with us, okay? So, for example, this project is working on the sketchbook, but on the sketchbook, inside the sketchbook, there's a urban architecture drawing kind of project. So we put the photos next to like that, so they can finish as much as they can. The rest of the week to complete it. So that's one project, only 2 weeks. And the second one, we study, sometimes we do paintings. So here are the packets with a lot of material. So this is again age 7 to 10. Anything that we, the painting kind of material, we put it in here. Keep it in all the paints in a Ziploc bag and indicate what those are. Lesson plan in there, and then they're gonna do on a canvas for to draw. So the final study about the positive and negative spaces. So it comes out something like that. So teacher will do the demo for 2 weeks. Okay, so this is for age 7 to 10. Okay, so you can get some idea how we setting up. For the age 11 and up, has a little more advanced kind of projects. For example, we have some fun project, something like we don't know where to draw. We try to teach a variety of different mediums and techniques, just like in the studio. We got this mixed media painting, okay? So same thing, the lesson plan is right here, and all the material is in the package. So this project conduct to be fish on the paper, like, you know, unwrap the paper and you mommy put the fish or something. We're gonna work on the as one project, and then second project is an architectural drawing on the brown paper. All the materials are also in there. So the final study will be, final picture will be something like that. So architecture drawing with a pen and the color pencil partially. Okay, so that's for the advanced class, age 11 and up. We have a high school portfolio students. They're a little more intensive, and I give them a homework as well. They are the one working on, sometimes I put the same project. This has a material as well, and they get to do same drawing on the black paper. So just the study negative images and then coloring with color pencil white. It comes out like that. So that kind of idea. So same thing. There's a 2 project goes out for the portfolio students as well. Okay, so this is how we run the art classes online. It seems working pretty good, but not as good as in person. I miss everybody, but until we meet again, hope everybody stays safe, and you can contact us at jrstudio@gmail.com. Thank you so much. Bye bye.